Hello, beautiful people. How are we doing today? I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about how your emotional root cause could be a bit more of the aggravator rather than what's physically ailing you. So, of course, you can use your Essential Life book to find your solutions that are more regular. Let's say you have a headache and you want to resolve that issue. You'll reach for past tense. It's a great headache remedy. However, if it's not really getting down to the root cause of what's ailing you, we have our Emotions and Essentials book, which will help you out severely. So let's say you feel this emotion, and you have to get down to recognizing what that emotion is, rather than, I have a headache, it's giving me a problem. Are you feeling frustrated? Let's say you're feeling frustrated. And in the back here, it tells you all of the solutions for that particular issue. So geranium, cardamom, neroli, and Roman chamomile. Now, none of those are past tense, so it might be a little bit surprising to you that you would be recommended to use something like that. Or if you're feeling, let's say you're feeling overwhelmed, because I know that this is a time of year when everyone's really crunching through everything they're really working on. Overwhelmed, basil, aroma touch. Past tense, digest zen, tangerine, melissa, red mandarin, serenity, yarrow, palm. Okay, so that one had past tense within it, but generally speaking, if it's not showing you what you need in the Essential Life book, if it's not really healing whatever that issue is for you, it's very possible that there's something emotionally going on. And oils are so beautiful for working on the emotional stability rather than just focusing on, finding your health benefit, because your emotions are a part of your health, as much as we want to ignore them and just want them to go away most of the time. They're not going anywhere. So between your Emotions and Essential Oils book, your Essential Life book, and the Great Emotions wheel, you'll really find the solution that you're looking for. So if you find that your oils aren't working and you're really not understanding why, and you still persist to have those issues, you can find a solution within your root cause if it's not within just your physical property issue. So definitely try that out, because these oils can solve all of your problems. You just need to give them the opportunity and pick the right oil. Have a beautiful day, everyone. We hope you're feeling blessed and happy and joyful this week. We love you at Oil Life.